Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. Now, we are back here once again, another week, another dollar. Now, for your ingredients, it's like 62 right now. People are a little bit more bullish compared to last week because Bitcoin has been pumping recently. We're currently at 66, close to $67,000, getting close to that all-time high. You know, Ethereum pumping a little bit over $3,000. We got Solana up at 170, pretty close, getting it up there. Some altcoins are getting closer to their previous all-time highs. Most of them not. One example, Cardano. Yes, it had a really nice pump, but 50 cents. 2 quarters, 50 cents. Anyways, but we're going to talk about the news recently, and honestly, there's not really that much going on other than just like I said, Bitcoin has been pumping recently from as low as $60,000 all the way up to 67. I truly expect June, the summertime, when a bunch of meme coins and a bunch of DeFi projects and just Metaverse, just literally everything, you know, everyone's going to be blowing their money on these coins. That's just my speculations, not financial advice. You took a look at altcoins, they're still, like I said, yeah, they've been pumping recently, but you take a look at the yearly or even the all-time, and we're just so down. So very down. But it's okay, because eventually, you know, things are eventually going back up, right? Yeah, that's what I've been told. Please, Twitter, please help me out, please. Some of the things everybody's been questioning is, like I said, altcoins, like, are they dead? When is altcoin season? We've been waiting for this for like the longest time. But yeah, most people are, you know, they're selling their Bitcoin and they're jumping into altcoins because they truly believe that altcoin season is just around the corner. That's what everybody's been saying, man. Maybe it's just never gonna happen, but that's what they want you to believe, so they can continue stacking their bags. And then the big institutional governments. Anyways, some articles like it's just, you know, coins to millionaire 100x, 50x. Are those coins still around? Yes, but the risk is very high only because the bull market has already started. These 3 coins, I'm just gonna, you know, give my own opinion and analysis. Solana, yeah, a lot of people just been talking Solana summer, this and that, all these meme coins. See BNB, honestly, I don't think BNB is gonna be of a big hitter just because it has such a high market cap, and with the whole, like, you know, suppression of, you know, BNB and CZ stepping down, you know, just don't think it's gonna happen. But, you know, I could be wrong. And Shiba, you know, the dog coins, obviously we got Doge, we got Shiba, we got Bread, we got all these other tokens. Yeah, I do think the meme coins are always gonna outperform. When you look at statistically, every number 1 meme coin has always outperformed their own main coin. You know, meme coins definitely the biggest returns, but definitely the biggest risk. Ones are offering utility, others are literally just a community thing. If it's just community or just utility, that's also good too, but in my opinion, it's just more based on hype. At the end of the day, regardless of what the token offers, it's all about, you know, how many people jump on the bandwagon. Speaking of securing, we also gotta secure the bag, you know, no financial advice. But yeah, we got a new record. We got 10 holders now. Like I said, I'm still working on a bunch of back-end stuff. It might take a while only because it does cost money to list, you know, tokens on exchanges, to update data on the back end. It costs money. I was not prepared for this. Like, it's gonna take some time, okay? If anyone would like to donate, this is gonna be the my wallet. If you guys want to help donate, 100% of the funds will be used to further the project into more, you know, mainstream adoption and, you know, marketing. But yeah, otherwise you can just, you know, secure the bag token on MintSwap or on Tap Tools. But yeah, that's basically it. Not much in the news recently. Just make sure to check out my Twitter X account at mmonopoly10 for all the crypto news. And a bunch of memes. Been doing a lot of, you know, AI art. All these are AI art, which is really nice. Comment down below where you think Bitcoin will, you know, pop up to 100K, or when you expect altcoins to finally start pumping. And yeah, that's basically it for the crypto news for this week. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to give the video a big old thumbs up. Comment down below whatever you want. I really don't care. But turn on post notifications. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.